Affiliate marketing won't be too tough to learn about. In these hard economic times, everyone could benefit from some extra cash. A fun and easy way to make money from home is affiliate marketing. Well, at least it's easy enough to get started. But if you're thinking about creating a steady income, you need to form a plan. Follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you build a successful affiliate site. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. Affiliate programs can become an alternative source of money, all from the comfort of your own home. However, in order to have any kind of success, you need to put in time and effort. The more time and effort you put in, the better the results. If you follow these tips and stick to your program, you will see results. Thousands of other people do, so why can't you? Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.